YouTube itself puts our channel at par with people with subscribers. 100k views पे हम जितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं वो शायद एक कॉमेडी चैनल को एटलीस्ट 1 मिलियन व्यूज लाने पड़ेंगे वो सेम पैसे कमा। 2025 has been so difficult on me, man. I'm launching 2 new businesses and it's gonna be fucking mayhem. And as you can see, it's almost 1 AM in the night and मैं इतना थका हुआ हूँ.
That my audience want to ask you is
Hello?
Please don't make me think of it like you can't make a deep.
So I've just received more hoodies because we got to shoot real soon. I'm gonna give you an update on how Urban Eats is gonna work in terms of my business partnership very soon. But for right now, these are the hoodies that I have to shoot soon in a studio, and we found a cool studio near our office. But what I don't understand is
जो हुडीज ऑलरेडी थी मेरे पास वो वापस क्यों भेजी? That's like wastage of stock, right?
one thing that you need to understand about content is that you need to pick your lane when it comes to content, in the sense that most people think that views is the only thing that matters, which is not really the case, because a comedy channel might have a CPM का मतलब होता है how much money you make from 1 view or 1000 views or whatever, how much money you can make from the views that you have. So a comedy channel might be able to make 5 rupees, best case scenario, actually 3 rupees from every 100 views, whereas some videos we do, they can make 800 rupees from every 100 views. तो बहुत बड़ा difference है. तो आप ऐसे समझो कि then you really have to choose what kind of videos you want to make. Are you chasing views or not? अब views कम आएंगे तो obviously subscriber growth भी कम होगा. That's why our channel is at 800k. But YouTube itself puts our channel at par with people with 10 million subscribers. वो events में जब बुलाते हैं तो मेरे साथ वाले जो comedy creators होते हैं वो 10 million subscriber वाले होते हैं और मेरे तो 1 million भी नहीं है. So that's how you really need to understand, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग बस vanity metrics पे जाते हैं and people think कि ओ इसके views इतने हैं ऐसे. The thing is 100k views पे हम जितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं वो शायद एक comedy channel को एटलीस्ट 1 million views लाने पड़ेंगे वो सेम पैसे कमाने के लिए. So monetization doesn't work the way views work. So you really need to know that about the YouTube business.
भाई ऐसा लग रहा है मैं 10 करोड़ में अपनी बेटी की शादी करवाने जा रहा हूँ. आज हम सब फास्ट कर रहे हैं. करण का है 16 आवर्स का. ये बस फास्ट है, ये फास्ट इन बेड है. मैं कोशिश करूंगा I'll do a 20-hour fast or at least an 18-hour fast.
You already know we make the best sweatpants out there, but there's a hidden feature in our sweatpants.
हाँ मतलब पोलो we want to do plain वाली, but I think resonate ही कर रहा होगा नीचे वाली हर चीज के साथ. Yo, I'm back from the gym and this is the first time I've gone to the gym in this year. तबीयत इतनी खराब थी कि अब जाके ही जा पाया हूँ and had a great conversation with my friend Asim. There might be something brewing, there might be something coming. We might be entering into the software space because it really intrigues me, but वो सबके बारे में मैं बाद में बताऊंगा अभी. So I have to coordinate some shoots का सामान for tomorrow. I'm just seeing कि मेरे पास सब कुछ पड़ा है, मेरी स्टाइलिंग सबकी सेट है नहीं है, which is the most fun part. Arranging things is not a fun part, just like thinking of styling is a fun part कि shoot में क्या पहनना है. But as you can see, it's almost 1 AM in the night and मैं इतना थका हुआ हूँ कि I really need like good music. Now I can work happily.
The complete catalog जितना भी हमारे पास था, as I told you कि हमारा कलर्स का वेरिएशन बहुत आ रहा था, एक्सपोजर का वेरिएशन बहुत आ रहा था वेबसाइट पे. So that's why I am actually getting every product shot again. We're doing a photo shoot again just so that the website looks more homogeneous and uniform. The vlog channel.
Yo, I'm taking risks, getting my paper right. Karma might get them, they gotta pay the price. I'm feeling low, it could be worse. All of my VV.
Done with the hoodies का shoot. Now on to some t-shirts. थक गया, but मजे आ गए.
भाई the shoot is over. एक बार पीछे की सीट दिखा दे कैसे सामान लेके आना पड़ रहा है. days can get busy. You might be tired from work, shooting all day, but real men don't miss the gym.
एक जैकेट मेरे दर सेक्सी पर एक बॉटम चाहिए लोका में थुप खून मन कॉटन चाहिए
So I'm at Starbucks with Shash, but ये गोवा एयरपोर्ट वाला Starbucks है. गलती से फिर से गोवा आ गया मैं. इतना चूतिया लग रहा है.
Just got back from Ayush's wedding. If you want to see the outfit, it's there on my Insta. भाई कितनी अच्छी चीज है यार दोस्तों जब शादी हो जाती है. 2025 has been so difficult on me, man, and because of that, it's just I have degraded in every manner possible, and I've talked a lot about the other aspects. One thing in which I've degraded, I've not talked about, is my physical health. I've legit put on zero muscle in the last 1 year. I have legit gained body fat in terms of like मेरी तोंद आ गई है भाई. अब भाई हम लोग ना जब हमारी physical health अच्छी होती है ना, we feel more motivated to work. And that's what I'm going to do in February. I'm going to fix every aspect of my life. I'm going to do a fucking comeback. And that also includes my physical health. So there's a lot more that you can expect now in the coming vlogs. Bro, I'm launching 2 new businesses and it's going to be fucking mayhem. And bro, before I do that, before I do a bloody relaunch for myself on the internet, I have to do a relaunch for myself in my own head. मुझे खुद को बताना. I need to tell myself that I am a fucking new person. I am ready to take up new challenges. And I just feel like in the current San is not ready, bro. And I have to change myself in the coming 2 or 3 weeks. And like only then will I be able to build up into the next version of me and get that to the new stuff I'm building.
Happy Fizz actually. But today we're shooting a Valentine's Day concept at Adonis. And we have Ishita with us today, who will now give you tips on two content creation tips.
Okay, top of my head, one, learn how to use AI to your advantage and not like basic ChatGPT prompts. Then number 2, be authentic when you do content. You might start off by maybe like trying to be someone else on the internet, but that's gonna harm you in the long run. You will not be able to sustain it. So just be yourself, be authentic. And honestly, no one gives a shit about aesthetic content these days. Just be as raw and organic and savage as you can be on the internet.
Just got back from Ayush's wedding. जब उसकी बारात अंदर घुसने वाली थी, that's when I just entered. थोड़ा सा डांस भी किया. कभी-कभी it feels a little weird that I miss a lot of my friends' weddings and a lot of such events. I mean, there's nothing more to it.
So a lot of my audience is now also they've become entrepreneurs. They have started their own businesses. So another question that they have is, what is it about Rado that made it so relevant? Because in these days, being relevant is a big thing for brands. But Rado has that legacy. How did Rado build that legacy as a brand?
Also, very good question. To have relevancy, it's important to be authentic and to respect also the roots and the DNA of the brand. And the DNA of the brand, Rado, was always to be pioneering, to push the boundaries, to make innovation, to always surprise the customer with new things, with creativity, with also courageous designs and with material innovations. And in the end, the main issue must always be to satisfy your customers, to satisfy the audience, to excite them, and of course also to create an emotion. Because a Rado watch is an emotional consumption good. If you are buying for you this watch, it's an emotional moment. You finally make a present to yourself. Or you are buying a Rado watch for a wedding, a very important happening in the life, for an anniversary, or for an important milestone in the life. And therefore, it's very important that also the design, the materialization, and the finishing is also done from emotional and creative persons like our designers and our engineers.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
That's all I want to ask. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
The movement behind it all. And that's how you know creators can pull this shit off.